Hey riders, do you know what are the causes of poor performance of your bike? In this video, I will list them one by one. With that said, let's jump into this video. Once you own a bike, as it ages, you will see a gradual decrease in its performance. There are several common reasons are there. Some of them can be seen in this video. First one is air filter. This element is the one that provides air intake into the bike from outside environment. Consider cleaning air filter for every 2000 kilometers if you are riding your bike in more dusty area or inside city. User manual instructions provided by your bike manufacturer should be followed step by step in order to keep your bike's performance at high pace. Second one is fuel quality. When I purchased my bike, I used only HP petrol. Simultaneously Shell as well for about 5000 kilometers. Poor performance may be the reason by bad fuel quality because different pumps have different mixes of chemical components. Instead of listening to others, better fuel up from different pumps and check the performance by yourself. If you ask me, I recommend to use Shell petrol. In no option, go to HP always. I found poor performances from rest of the pumps. I don't want to name them in this video. Third one is tire pressure. As the tire pressure gets low, your tire feels more friction with the surface of the road. This in turn decreases your bike performance and you will get poor mileage. Maintain the tire pressure as recommended or mentioned in your owner's manual. This tire pressure should be checked once in every 2 weeks. Fourth one is low engine oil. Riding the bike with low engine oil will lead to serious damage to the inside components and at high RPMs the piston may get seized. Identifying the low engine oil is too easy. You know how? When you start your bike and accelerate, then there will be a drum eating sound, which is sound of low engine oil. Some of the bikes will have inspection window that shows the optimum engine oil levels to check regularly. In case if you found with low engine oil, top up with new oil as recommended by your manufacturer. Fifth one is chain slack. Chain slack is the major thing that defines your bike performance and smooth ride. During my second service, the serviceman made the chain very tight and left no slackness. As a result, I found my bike is vibrating too much and showed poor performance. From then, I stopped going to the service center and started to do it on my own. Those are the reasons I started this channel to give perfect knowledge regarding bike service to my YouTube viewers. The common chain slackness in every bike will be 25 mm. There are equipment that are available in the market to measure the chain slackness. I will drop a link in description below. You can use it to buy them. Along with that, if you find noise from chain, then it's indication that it need a good chain loop. Sixth one is carburetor tuning. Improper air screw tuning and fuel mixture screw tuning will lead to a problem like hard to start during morning times. If the carburetor is tuned in bad way, then you will lose more fuel and get poor performance and low fuel efficiency. There is a video on my channel that explains how to tune your carburetor to get best performance. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. Please visit there. Seventh one is different engine oils. If you are using different engine oil other than your manufacturer recommended, then you will definitely face poor performance. Using different engine oil leads to hard starts or trouble starts after long time and also during morning starts. Based on my recent experience, I strongly recommend to my viewers to use only your manufacturer recommended grade oil. That will extend your engine life as well as increase your bike's performance. With that said, my lovely viewers, if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon before you quit this video. And smash that like button. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this video. Drop your comments in the comment section below. With that said, again, see you in the next week.